Hi guys, so in this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and a crochet hook is in size 4. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 20. Now through the fourth chain from the hook, I'll make 4 double crochet. Again now I'll chain 4 and through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. Again I will chain 4. Through that same chain I'll make 4 double crochet. I will chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. And now right here through this foundation chain, through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will chain 9. On the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. And through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now right here through this foundation chain I'll make a slip stitch. Then through these next chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Now through this last chain I'll make a slip stitch. And again now I'll turn my work around. Now through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And through the same chain I'll make 1 more single crochet. Now we'll continue making 1 single crochet until we reach 1 chain before the last one right here. So this way we don't have to trim the yarn. So this way we don't have to cut the yarn many times. You can just work around. And now I will chain 9 on the second chain from the hook. I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. Through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 single. Through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Now again through this main foundation chain, right there through the next chain I'll make a 1 single crochet. through the next chain 1 single crochet, through the next chain 1 single crochet, through the next chain 1 single crochet, through the next chain 1 single crochet. Then right here through this last chain I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. I'm gonna meter mañana. So now I'll weave these ends in and then trim this yarn, and then we have one more step and we'll be done. But for this next step we use yarn in different color. Now we use yarn in different color. Now right here through this fourth chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 5. Now through these next 4 chains I'll make 4 triple crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again now I will chain 5, then through this next chain, see this turning chain was right here, then right here to this last chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here to these 2 loops I'll make 8 triple crochet cluster. So we start by chaining 5, and now we need to make 4 in this loop and 4 in this next loop, but we'll join them all together. So now that we have 4 in this next loop, we make 4 more. Again now, I will chain 5, then right there through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. Again now I'll chain 5. Now through his next 4 chains I'll make 4 triple crochet cluster. Again now I'll chain 5, then right here through his last chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Of course when you use thinner yarn or cotton it will look much better, but for purpose of this video I'm using yarn so it can be more visible. Yeah, we'll just weave these ends in, trim the ends, and then we'll be done. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.